Part 2 about how I coughed up a hairball. This is a true story, by the way. So as I said, I was coughing really badly and the whole school was looking at me. More like the whole first grade, not the whole school. And I had something stuck in my throat. It was like really bad. And it started coming up my throat. My friends were asking me if I was okay and needed any water. I just told them in a voice sounding like I was dehydrated that I was fine, but I probably wasn't. And I coughed something up my throat and it was in my mouth. When I looked at it, I was like so surprised. I was beyond embarrassed because everybody was looking at what I had spit into my hand. It was a dang hairball. I just walked over to the trash can in front of everyone and just threw it all away. And that ruined my day and I was like so embarrassed. That's my story. Bye, Hedgehog.